Hey adventure seekers! Welcome to Epic Escapades, where planning is a breeze and travel dreams come true. Got questions about what we do? Today, we're diving into your most frequently asked questions. Let's go! What kind of trips does Epic Escapades offer? At Epic Escapades, we've got it all, from wildlife safaris and romantic getaways to family adventures, corporate retreats, and cultural experiences. Can I customize my trip? Of course, here's how. Tell us your destination and budget. Pick your must-have experiences. Sit back and wait as we tailor an itinerary just for you. How does the booking process work? It's so simple. Visit our website, explore our packages, and book online. Need help? Go to our Contact Us section, reach out, and we'll do the rest. Do you offer international packages? Yes, we book dream destinations around the world, handling flights, accommodation, and itineraries for you. What value-added services do you offer? Great question. Some add-ons include visas and travel insurance. We guide you through the process and handle all the paperwork. Transportation, from rental cars to shuttles and VIP pickups. Travel clinics, for medical checkups and required vaccinations. Corporate, travel, events, and team experiences. Photography and videography, capturing your memories. VIP experiences, fine dining, spa treatments, and more. Catering, top quality options for all occasions. Can I travel solo? Absolutely. We'll create a safe and convenient itinerary filled with amazing experiences. What family trips do you offer? We love family adventures. Some top trips include Kruger National Park safaris, Acro Branch adventures, zoo excursions, and half these day trips. Do you have a discounts or loyalty program? Yes! First-time bookers get a special discount. You earn redeemable points with each booking and can refer a friend for travel rewards. Do you organize business trips? Yes, we organize corporate getaways, team building events, and year-end functions. How do I stay updated on new deals and offers? Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn, and subscribe to our newsletter at epicescapades.co.za. Hope this answered your questions. Got more? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss another adventure.